Hello. As you may have noticed, we didn't upload a video last week. Unfortunately, there was a medical emergency that had to be dealt with, which prevented us from completing our interviews and compiling our video. Therefore, we've included Week 2 and Week 3 of build season in this video. We hope you enjoy.
Last week, we were beginning multiple prototype chassis for our robot. We're taking this strategy because we'd rather see different setups clear obstacles. One chassis came from the kit of parts and is driven by 4 8-inch hard wheels and 2 smaller wheels. While it has some issues, we are certain we can work out a way for it to clear all obstacles. The second chassis is driven by a gear train and a few huge pneumatic wheels and is under construction. The third chassis will be a Rhino track drive, which is also being assembled. With these 3 chassis, we hope to be able to choose from a wide variety of capabilities for our final robot and end up with the best solution possible. This week, we've just been testing and adjusting prototypes, as well as mounting a modified version of the ball shooter. That's all from the build team.
In the second week of build season, the business team and I continued working on the Chairman's Award and to set up a display case in our school to educate staff members and students about FIRST, FRC, and the RoboBronx.
Personally, I was really impressed with the dynamic display, and it is really good to have something pop out at you like that. I mean, they have a TV rolling with footage from the competition. I thought that was really unique, definitely drew my eye, which is something that the billboard in the high school hallway rarely ever does. I was also really surprised to see that one of our coaches actually won the Woody Flowers Finalist Award, which I hear is a pretty solid award.
In the third week of build season, we continued working on the Chairman's Award. We designed jackets and t-shirts for the team, and we worked on creating this video.
So for the past 2 weeks, Patience and I, another programmer, wrote code for the robot chassis, which is for motors. After that, we experimented with tank and arcade drive, but we got rid of tank drive because arcade drive was better. We then worked out the kinks in the code, which means we calibrated motors or worked with people who wired to make the robot drive straight without any problems. We then wrote code for the ball catcher, and we're now working on programming on the arm.